Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a hacked Venmo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your browser, and then simply on the search bar type in help.venmo.com, and once you do that you'll be sent to the Venmo help center page. And now all you gotta do is click on account profiles and settings, or you can just simply type in the search bar a hacked account. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply select a reason, and once you do that, scroll down until you find this submit a request option. And once you do that, click on it. It will lead you to the contact us page. Now you can contact. Now all you gotta do is fill in the information given according to the boxes. And once you do that, on this tell us what's up, what you need to do is to explain the reason on why you are contacting them, and then if possible attach a screenshot as well on the attachment section, and then click on submit. And after a couple of business days, the Venmo support team will reach out to you and fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.